Ready to take your Wix website offline without a computer? Here's exactly how to unpublish it using just your mobile device. First, open your mobile web browser, Chrome, Safari, whatever you prefer, and navigate to Wix.com. Log into your Wix account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Wix dashboard. Locate the website you wish to unpublish. This might be a list of all your Wix sites. Tap on the specific website to open its management options. Now, you'll need to find the settings for your website. Scroll down the dashboard until you see an option that says Site Settings or something similar. Might be under a General Settings or Manage Site menu. Tap on Site Settings. Within these settings, you're looking for the option that controls your site's visibility. Scroll through the various settings until you find Site Availability or Show Site. You should see a clear option to toggle your site on or off, or select its availability status. Tap on the current status, which is likely published or visible. From the options that appear, choose Unpublish or Hidden to remove your website from public view. Confirm your selection if prompted. And that's it. Your Wix website is now unpublished and no longer accessible to the public. You can always come back and republish it later if you change your mind.